front of me is Honor Power, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. Begin by launching your keyboard. Now tap on this microphone at the top of it, or hold this one at the bottom left corner. Either way, when you're ready, start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you want to stop, you can pause or click on this button with a microphone. You can use the same one to start again. To delete text on the go, click on this one with an X. To manage voice typing options, click on this gear one on the left. And to go back to standard keyboard, tap on this arrow at the top left corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!